Hey everybody, this is a play along that I'm throwing up on the intranets for Sunny Afternoon by the Kinks. The purpose of this is to get you at about 90% to familiarity with this song. We're gonna play it in A minor because that's the key I can sing it in. And one other note, on the second line you can see "Lazin' on a Sunny Afternoon." There's an E decoration on there. You can just play an E7. I will not hold it against you. I encourage you to try, however. So with no further ado, let's get started. On this, I'm going to skip the intro. And I'm going to use just a simple downstroke for most of this. 1, 2, ready, sing. The taxman's taken all my dough and left me in my stately home, lazing on a sunny afternoon. And I can't sail my yacht, he's taken everything I've got. All I've got's this sunny afternoon. Save me, save me, save me from this squeeze. I got a big fat mama trying to break me, and I love to live so pleasantly. Live this life of luxury, lazing on a sunny afternoon. In the summertime, in the summertime, in the summertime, my girlfriend's run off with my car and gone back to her ma and pa, telling tales of drunkenness and cruelty. Now I'm sitting here, sipping at my ice-cold beer. All I've got's this sunny afternoon. Help me, help me, help me sail away. Oh, give me 2 good reasons why I ought to stay. 'Cause I love to live so pleasantly. Live this life of luxury, lazing on a sunny afternoon. In the summertime, in the summertime, in the summertime. Save me, save me, save me from this squeeze. I got a big fat mama trying to break me, and I love to live so pleasantly. Live this life of luxury, lazing on a sunny afternoon. In the summertime, 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 in the summertime. Good job, everyone. I hope this helps.